Dear students, today consider exercise 6.5 problem number 6. Triangles, NCERT book, class 10. So the 6th number problem given, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side twice. Find its altitude. Suppose ABC, this is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. And we consider AD, BE, CF are altitude. Now we have to show these are altitude. We have to show we have to find the AD, BE and CF. So solution is start. Solution given ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to twice A. We consider this is twice A, this is twice A, this is twice A. All the sides are equal, so we consider twice A. Also, AD perpendicular BC, BE perpendicular AC, CF perpendicular AB. So these are the altitudes. So we have to find AD, BE and CF. Now proof or determination. Proof or determination. So we consider, now we want to find AD, BE and CF. We consider this and these two right triangle. From triangle ADB and triangle ADC. We have what we have. This is an equilateral triangle. This is ADB. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this will be hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So we have hypotenuse AB equal to hypotenuse AC. So these two hypotenuse are equal because this is an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. Angle AD equal to AD since common side. These are common side. Angle ADB equal to angle ADC since each equal to 90 degree. So what we get, we consider these two triangles. This side equal to this side. This is common side and this angle equal to this angle. So these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle ADB congruent triangle ADC by RSS congruence criterion. R is S, right angle, this is right angle, this is hypotenuse and one side. are AS's congruence criterion. So these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then this side equal to this side. So therefore we can write BD equal to CD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So these sides will be equal, because if you folding this and all the sides angle will be equal, so this equal to this. We can write this. Now what we get, BD and DC are equal, but BD equal to half of BC. So BD equal to CD, or we can write, but BD equal to CD equal to half of BC, since D is the midpoint, since D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC, because this equal to this means D is the midpoint of BC. So if D is the midpoint of BC, then BD equal to half of BC, CD equal to half of BC, and BC means twice A, and this will be A. So we get BD equal to A. This is we get. Now actually our requirement, altitude from right triangle ADB we have. So what we have, if it is right angle, then obviously this is hypotenuse, and this is perpendicular, this is base. So we have AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. We get this one. AB, we know the length of AB equal to twice A whole square. AD not given. BD just we get A. This is A square. The measurement BD, CD, these are A. So we get this A putting here. So this is 4A square. A square taking left hand side, A square equal to AD square. So AD square equal to 3, 4A square minus 1A square, 3A square, and AD equal to root over 3A square, and AD equal to root 3A. So we get the length of AD is root 3A. Similarly, we can find BECF also same. Similarly, BE equal to root 3A, CF equal to root 3A. So therefore we get the required altitudes AD, BE, CF. Therefore AD equal to root 3A, BE equal to root 3A, CF equal to root 3A, and these are the answer of the given problem. Consider problem number 7. This is the mostly problem and very easy problem. Prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. So you consider ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD two diagonals. Then we have to show AB square, BC square, CD square, DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. This is we have to prove. Now solution start. Let given ABCD is a rhombus rhombus whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. AC and BD intersect at O. To prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. So AB square, BC square, CD square, DA square equal to AC square plus BD square we have to prove. Now proof. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. So that means AC and BD bisect at O. So therefore we get OA equal to OC, OA and OC equal, OB and OD equal, OB equal to OD. We get this, and also we get this angle equal to 90 degree, and angle AOB equal to BOC equal to COD equal to DOA equal to 90 degree. So we get this in case of rhombus. This angle 90 degree. So one thing is left. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So they are bisect each other at right angles. So we get this. Now we consider one by one from this right angle triangle, this right angle triangle, this right angle triangle, this right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, right triangle AOB we have. So what we have, this is 90 degree, obviously this is hypotenuse and one is base, another is perpendicular. So we get AB square equal to OA square plus OB square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, we get this. AB square equal to this square plus this square. In triangle, in right triangle, BOC, we have, this is 90 degree, then obviously this is hypotenuse. This square equal to this square plus this square. So BC square equal to OB square plus OC square. This is number 2, this is number 1. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get this. So from this triangle we get. Next you consider this triangle in right triangle COD, we have what we have CD square equal to CO square plus OC square plus OD square. This is number 3. This is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem we get this. And in right triangle DOA, we have this is 90 degree, then this square equal to this square plus this square. So we have DA square equal to OD square plus OA square. This is number 4. By Pythagoras theorem we get this one. Now we get equation 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get in 1 this is AB square and 2 BC square, 3 CD square, this is DA square. In 1 right hand side OA square OB square and 2 right hand side OB square plus OC square and 3 right hand side OC square plus OD square and 4 right hand side OD square plus OA square. So if we adding 1, 2, 3, 4, then left hand write down in left hand side and right hand side adding we write in right hand side. So we get OA square 2 times, so 2 OA square, OB square 2 times, 2 OB square, OC square 2 times, 2 OC square and OD square 2 times, 2 OD square. So taking 2 common, then we get OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OD square. We get this OA square plus OB square plus OC square OD square. Now we know OA and OC equal, since OC equal to OA and OD equal to OB. Since we know the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles, these are bisect, that means this and this equal, this and this equal. So in place of this is OB remains same, OA and OB, these are remain same. OC means OA, we write OA, and OD means OB, this one. So this is 2 OA square 2 OA square, OB square 2 OB square. So we get 4 OA square plus 4 OB square, we get this. So this implies AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to, this can be written as 2 into OA whole square, and 2 into OB whole square. 2 into OB whole square. So OA, 2 times of OA means we can write AC, since AC equal to OA plus OC, OA and OC and OA equal, this is OA, 2 times of OA. That means AC means 2 times of OA. AC equal to 2 times OA because O is the midpoint of AC. And similarly BD equal to 2 times of OB. BD equal to 2 times of OB or 2 times of OD we can write. So this will be, this means AC square and this means BD square. So we get our result. So therefore we get AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equal to AC square plus BD square. We get this. Sum of the square of the sum of the squares of the sides, this equal to sum of the square of its diagonals. Diagonal AC and BD, this. Hence proof. Hence proof. So dear students, the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and click the bell icon. Thank you.